Welcome back. If Telegram shows app was unable to play this video on your iPhone, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it. Let's get started with some basic solutions. First, check your internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see which one works better. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds and then turn it off. If you're using a VPN or proxy app, turn it off and ensure you are on the latest version. If that does not work, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Free up iPhone storage. Go to iPhone Settings, then tap General and go to iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough free space. Telegram can't buffer or play videos properly when storage is full. Solution 2. Clear the cache. Sometimes it fails to play videos if the file header is slightly corrupted. So open Telegram, then go to Settings. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Data and Storage. Tap Storage Usage. Tap Clear Entire Cache and try playing the video again. This forces Telegram to refetch the video data from the server. Solution 3. Open in an external player. Long press the video in the chat, tap Select, then tap the share icon at the bottom. Choose VLC or tap Save to Files. Open the file directly from the Files app or VLC. VLC can play almost any video format that the iPhone's default system cannot. Solution 4. Download the video manually. If streaming fails, tap the download arrow on the video, wait for it to be downloaded, then try playing it again from the chat. If this helped, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Telegram and iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching.